Hey everyone, today we are going to explore winter survival skills for beginners. Winter survival requires a blend of preparation, knowledge, and adaptability. Whether you're exploring snowy trails or navigating an unexpected winter emergency, mastering basic survival skills can make the difference between discomfort and safety. Here are key strategies to stay warm, find shelter, and gather food in cold conditions. Firstly, let's look at staying warm. The primary challenge in winter survival is avoiding hypothermia, which occurs when your body loses heat faster than it can produce it. Dressing appropriately is your first line of defense. Layering is essential. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer. Add an insulating middle layer, like fleece or wool, and finish with a waterproof and windproof outer layer. Accessories like gloves, hats, and insulated boots help retain body heat. Building and maintaining a fire is a critical skill for warmth. Always carry waterproof matches or a lighter, as well as fire-starting materials like cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly or fire starter sticks. Dry wood may be scarce, so look for fallen branches under dense trees or peel bark from dead trees. If you can seek out shelter protects you from wind, snow, and freezing temperatures. If you're in the wilderness, seek natural shelters like caves or dense tree cover. If none are available, build a snow shelter, such as a quinzhee or snow trench. These structures use the insulating properties of snow to trap body heat. In urban areas, a vehicle can serve as temporary shelter. Keep blankets, extra clothing, and a small emergency kit in your car. Crack a window slightly to prevent carbon monoxide buildup if you're running the engine for heat. What about gathering food? While you can survive weeks without food, staying nourished is important for energy and warmth. In the wild, look for high-calorie food sources such as nuts, seeds, and berries. Be sure to identify them as safe. Fishing is another option. Carry basic fishing gear or know how to improvise hooks and lines. In an urban scenario, your survival kit should include calorie-dense snacks like protein bars, nuts, or dried fruits. Hydration is equally critical. Melt snow or ice to create water, but ensure it's boiled or filtered to eliminate contaminants. And a few additional tips. Navigation and signaling are vital in winter survival. Learn to read maps, use a compass, and recognize landmarks. Carry a whistle, mirror, or brightly colored fabric to signal for help. A charged phone or emergency beacon can also be life-saving tools. Remember, preparation is key. Preparation is the foundation of winter survival. Before heading out, inform someone of your plans, check weather forecasts, and pack essential items like a first aid kit, emergency blanket, multi-tool, and extra food and water. Surviving in winter conditions can be challenging, but with the right skills and mindset, you can face the cold with confidence. By staying warm, securing shelter, and managing food and hydration, you'll be prepared to endure the harshest winter environments.